I'm Stephen Kane, president of Rolling Strong, and I want to tell you about our new mobile app called CashCal. CashCal does just what it sounds like. It pays you to burn calories. Just download it on your mobile device, pair it to your favorite wearable, and start earning cash and credits for any kind of exercise that you may do. It's really that simple. Every time you earn $10, you can choose from a variety of offers and discounts to put it towards. And in some cases, you can even turn it into real cash that gets deposited directly into your PayPal account. Choose from things like discounts at your favorite restaurants to deals on fitness apparel and gym memberships. There will be new offers to choose from every time you cash out. This works great for associations or organizations that want to deploy a wellness tool that doesn't cost the company any money out of pocket. We create an account in your name on our system and upload a census of your members or employees. They receive an invite for CashCal from an executive at your organization and instantly get motivated to burn calories, even for just walking. Now, once you see momentum with the program and an organization wants to add some additional incentives, we can also set up competitions with a variety of dynamic winner brackets, such as age and gender and experience level on the app and so forth. That way everybody in the organization has a chance to win and stay motivated. Or we can move you into a fully managed wellness program with coaching, screenings, and mobile-friendly tools that include tracking hydration, sleep, nutrition, fitness, and well-being, all of which are designed to teach healthy habits while earning points to put towards rewards and other incentives. We pride ourselves on delivering innovative technologies to help you improve your health. So get started with CashCal and start getting paid to exercise today.